Right now, our finance sentiment data shows a notable momentum spike of plus 1.30, while sentiment levels are surprisingly stable at plus 0.00. This is unusual considering the typical volatility we see in this sector. What's particularly interesting are those 20 semantic clusters we've identified. They suggest a shift in how financial discussions are evolving, even as sentiment holds steady. This could indicate that while opinions remain neutral, the underlying momentum is gathering steam. With our API, you get real-time sentiment analysis, including those nuanced semantic insights, allowing you to build predictive models or enhance your trading algorithms with calibrated emotional context. Imagine leveraging this data to anticipate market movements before they happen. For more details, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's dive deeper into understanding the pulse of finance together.